You don't need to choose a resolution right now. You don't need to map out the next 5 years or have everything figured out as life settles back into its rhythm. As the holidays fade and the world slowly returns to work, school, and ordinary days, it's okay to move gently into the new year, leaving a little room for the unexpected. And some of the best things in life don't arrive according to plan. Love doesn't always show up on schedule. Neither do the opportunities that quietly change everything. The job you didn't know you were ready for. The conversation that opens a new door. The version of yourself you haven't met yet. And sometimes what changes isn't the destination, but what matters most along the way. You're allowed to want things without locking yourself into one path, one timeline, or one definition of success. So, instead of forcing resolutions, maybe just set an intention to stay open to connection, open to growth, open to the possibility that what's ahead could feel softer, warmer, and more loving and meaningful than what you planned. Let this year meet you gently, and let life surprise you.